Everyone says your email list is where the money is, but that only works if people actually open your emails. A 10K list with a 50% open rate will make you way more than a 100K list with a 1% open rate. And the crazy part is the 100K list will cost you 10 times more to send to. Open rates are everything because more opens means more clicks and more purchases. And for a while, almost no one was opening my emails. My list was growing by about 1,500 subscribers a month, but every time I sent an email, I was getting terrible open rates. What's worse is I was paying to send thousands of emails every week and barely anyone was seeing them. I felt like I was lighting money on fire. Then I found something that took my open rates from 16 to 69% in just a few weeks. The crazy part, I didn't change my subject lines, I didn't change my content, and I didn't change my sending platform at all. I just added one automated tool called Warmy, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get results just like mine. Now before I explain how Warmy was able to fix all this and what it actually does, let me quickly go over why your emails aren't being opened in the first place. The main reason is your emails just never reach the primary inbox. They get filtered into folders like promotions or spam, and almost nobody checks those. If your emails don't land where people actually look, they never get opened. So why does this happen? It usually comes down to your domain reputation and your IP reputation. Inbox providers like Microsoft and Google are constantly scoring you behind the scenes based on how people interact with your emails. If that reputation is low, their filters assume your emails aren't trusted, so they automatically push them out of the inbox even when your subscribers want to hear from you. And this isn't only a problem for people who've been abusing their email. This also happens with brand new domains. When you're a brand new sender, you start with a very low reputation or sometimes no reputation at all. The problem is you almost never get the chance to improve it because your emails get pushed into those other folders right away, so it becomes a prison that's really hard to escape. It can take months or even years to improve your reputation if you ever manage to at all. The real fix is improving your domain and IP reputation so inbox providers see you as a safe, trusted sender, and that's exactly what Warmy helps you do. Warmy is an automated email warm-up and deliverability tool. It makes sure your emails land in the inbox instead of promotions or spam by building and protecting your sender reputation, and it does this every day. So here's what it does behind the scene. Warmy sends emails from your account into a private network of real inboxes. Those inboxes open your emails, reply to them, mark them as important, pull them out of spam if needed, and interact with them in a natural human way. Inbox providers see all those positive signals and start trusting your domain more. Over time, your reputation improves, your IP and domain health go up, and your emails land in the inbox more consistently. And Warmy can scale with you. It works whether you have a small list of a few hundred subscribers or whether you send hundreds of thousands or even millions of emails. It adapts the warm-up volume to match the size of your sending. Let's hop in and I'll show you how to set everything up in just a few minutes. To get started, just click the link below and you can sign up for a 7-day free trial. During the sign up process, you'll answer a few questions about your business and how you're going to be using Warmy, and Warmy is going to guide you towards getting the right plan for your needs. Warmy has a number of different plans depending on the volumes you'll be sending and the features you specifically need. Once you sign in, all you need to do is add your inbox. Basically, Warmy is just going to plug into the system you already use, and you're going to be able to set this all up in literally under a minute. So just go add mailbox, and Warmy connects with all the major providers. So you see email providers, you see SMTP providers, you see marketing and sales platforms here. So basically it has integrations and step-by-step instructions for anything you want, and it's going to walk you through it step by step depending on your exact provider and tell you exactly what you need. So all you're going to do typically is log in, and sometimes you just got to grab a few authorization keys from your host platform. You plug all that in here and it connects automatically and you're all set up. Once you do that, Warmy is just going to be running in the background. There's no workflows to set up. There's no extra integrations. There's nothing, and you can just keep using the platforms the way you already do. It just runs in the background for you. It's basically just going to be using the platform you gave it to email its own inboxes and simulate that engagement I talked about. So while you're doing your thing, it's also using your account to send emails to those inboxes where it's going to simulate really positive engagement. And so you can see here that I've connected a number of domains. Now, another really important thing is your DNS records. Now, I don't want to get too technical here, but you can think about these things as the credentials or licenses your email domain needs in order to be trusted. And so these things are like a one-time setup, but if you don't have them in place, you almost have no chance of actually reaching the inbox. So a lot of people haven't even just set this stuff up, and so they're starting with a huge disadvantage to begin with. So as soon as you connect your domains and your mailboxes, what Warmy is going to do is automatically scan all of this for you and tell you which ones you need to work on. And then it's going to give you step-by-step instructions for how to fix those issues for your configuration. And if you need extra help, you can definitely reach out to their support desk to help you connect your platform, or if you need help with your domains, their support is great. But it's definitely recommended that you do this because it's already going to set you off in the right foot. Once that's all done and you've connected Warmy, you're going to be taken to your dashboard for each of your inboxes. You saw that I have quite a few connected here. And so I'll walk through this really quickly. You can see that Warmy's running the automatic warm up, and based on my plan, I'm sending about 5,000 emails a day. Again, it's going to vary for you depending on your plan. And you're going to see all the deliverability statistics, and you're going to see what's happening there. It's going to run a test every week for you. And so here you can see how your reputation and deliverability is changing over time. But I think the best way to see how Warmy's actually improving things for you is to get the information directly from Google. So here I am in Google's Postmaster Tools, and Postmaster Tools actually integrates with Warmy. And so you can see this inbox. So I started running this domain and inbox on September 8th. And so you can see on September 6th, actually, the report is here, I had a mix of medium and high. And then you can see on September 20th, Warmy improved it to high. So that's basically in less than 2 weeks. And if we hop over to domain reputation, you can see again on the 6th, the 10th, again, I started it on the 8th. My domain reputation was low. And so that's September 8th, right? Around there. And you can see by the start of October, it's starting to improve. And by October 7th, actually the 6th here, it's high. So basically in less than a month, pretty much a month, 4 weeks time, it improved my reputation all the way from low to high. But let's look at another one. So this one, I actually started around October 20th. And my reputation's actually bad. It's not even low. It's the worst it could be. So the 20th, you can see in 10 days, it got it up to low. Then about, a few days later, medium. And then on the November 20th, up to high. So literally in 1 month, it took it from bad, the worst, to high, the best, again in 1 month. And let's take a look at another one I connected. So this one I actually started on October 2nd. So around here, as you can see, and my reputation was medium. And then in about 2 weeks, it got taken up to high. So we can see that Warmy helps repair the two things I said are the critical things that help improve your deliverability: IP reputation and domain reputation. But let's talk about the real world results. Did it actually improve those terrible open rates I talked about? If we're gonna go by Warmy's own tests it runs every week, you can see that 100% of emails are being delivered to the inbox on Gmail, Google Workspace, Outlook, Microsoft, which are the most important ones. Now you'll see Yahoo still going to spam, and this is because it's an industry-wide problem. Yahoo is incredibly strict, and it takes an eternity to try and get your emails out of spam. And lucky for me, I don't really email a lot of people who use Yahoo, and most people don't, right? Gmail and Google Workspace and the Microsoft suite are the most important and most prominent, as well as custom SMTPs for business owners like this, right? So, you got your main things covered, But if you do want to prioritize some of these other ones, because for whatever reason, if you do have more, you do actually have an option here. You can actually set your warm-up preferences to prioritize those ones. As you can see, I'm prioritizing Gmail and Google Workspace and Microsoft, so you can see how much resources I'm dedicating to it. But if you want to warm up Yahoo, again, I don't need to, then you could dedicate more resources to Yahoo, but it will still take a little bit longer because Yahoo is very strict. But the point being is Warmy saying that everything is being delivered, but going back to the ultimate test, what about real world deliverability? So let's hop over to Kartra, one of the systems I connected for one of the mailboxes, and we can see some real results. You can see my last 3 emails here that I've queued up, and so you can see this is before I started with Warmy. I was sending to about 13,873, and you see I was getting 1,600 opens. What is that like? That's a 11% open rate, terrible. And if you look at my click rate, that's a 3% click rate. It's not great right now. And now let's hop over to Kartra, and so you can see I've sent a bunch of different emails here, and these emails were actually before I started with Warmy. And so you can see here I have sent to over 13,000 people and I have 1,600 opens. What does that equal really? Is that like a 10% open rate or something like that? Okay, 11%, so pretty terrible. Now the click rate is about 3%, not the worst ever, but not great either. And this was actually after I started running Warmy for just about 2.5 weeks. And so I did like a quick test to a smaller amount of my list. So this was either 2 or 3 weeks into it. And so you can see I only sent to about 500 people as a test. And so you can see here that my open rates were already 69% right there with rounding. And my click-through rates were already 4.4%. So dramatic improvements on both fronts. And then finally, after I ran Warmy for the period I showed you, after everything improved, this is probably after about 2 months. This was the latest test I did, and you can just look at the numbers are staggering, right? So we're talking about 8756 divided by 14123, a 62% open rate and a 7% click-through rate, right? That's like almost a double increase in clicks and a significant increase in open rates. So 4 or 5 times, I think, increase in open rates if I'm doing, maybe 6 times actually, if I'm doing the math right. So you can see that's a dramatic change, and that's just one of the platforms. But let me show you another platform I connected, Brevo. So here we are in Brevo, and so you can see all the emails I've been sending, and you can see this is long before I started with Warmy. You can see it's actually pretty clear, the data. My opens are around the mid-teens. My click rates are anywhere from 0.5% to under 1%, sometimes a little higher, but usually around 0.5 to 1%. And then basically right after I started with Warmy, a few weeks later, 2-3 weeks later, just like with the other platform, I tried doing a small test, just 673 people, and you can see a dramatic jump up here, right? This is, maybe 10 times my usual click-through rate, 5 to 10 times. And what's that, 4 or 5 times my open rate. And then of course, after I'd been running Warmy and I got all the right signals and I was ready in a couple of weeks, then I actually sent to my entire list, and you can see consistent still. So it scaled with me, 65% open rate and a 10% click-through rate. So this was after, almost 2 months now. And right there, you can see again an enormous jump, 5-10 times the click-through rate. And so you can see how domain reputation and IP reputation directly correlates to real-world results. And in my business, you can just imagine the difference of being able to generate 30 to 50 clicks versus hundreds to even 1,000 clicks. It's just a completely different ballgame when it comes to the type of traffic you can drive. Now, I want to give you a few more optional tips and tools you can use within Warmy to get even faster results. Again, all you have to do is connect your inbox and Warmy just runs in the background. That's it. That's all you have to do. But let me show you some of the optional tools. So first, it has templates. So I mentioned that Warmy sends emails to these inboxes that it has its own inboxes. And so it's sending messages that make sense based on what you entered when you first signed up. So when you gave it more profile info, it's sending relevant messages based on that. It uses AI to write these things. But you can actually upload your own templates. And so you can see so many other types of emails that I actually send. So the more templates you upload that are actually representative of the types of content you send, then the faster your warm up will be, because these providers now get to see the actual types of emails you're sending. And so it just makes it more congruent, because they also have access to all your inboxes and everything. So it just kind of works like that. It just makes it more authentic. Now, the next feature is called the seed list. And basically, Warmy also has a list of specifically Gmail and Google Workspace emails. And if you have a heavy Google presence, then you can actually send emails to these specific Google email boxes that they run. And this will help warm up Google and Gmail and Google Workspace much faster. Now, the one thing is you do have to send these emails manually, and the list changes every month, but you can actually set up some automations to do this, like in your email platform. So it's not a big deal, but it's not 100% fully automated. And Outlook and Yahoo are also available here. Again, if you're having problems with Yahoo specifically, this will help. And lastly, there's the email verification tool, because of course, no list is 100% clean. People are always going to put junk in there. So it's a good practice to just clean up your list, and you can just upload your list into this email validation tool, and it's going to make sure that they're all real email addresses. So of course, if you're sending to fake email addresses or garbage email addresses, then that's going to hurt your reputation and deliverability, because those people aren't opening or clicking or anything. So removing those people to begin with is a great step that you should do all the time. Just simple list hygiene. So this tool will help with that. Again, these 3 tools are optional, but I would highly recommend you use them. So that's how easy it is to start improving your email deliverability with Warmy. Now, I want to share a few things to keep in mind before you start warming up your own domains. First, if your reputation is already damaged or you've been hitting spam for a long time, it can take time for Warmy to fully repair things. It's not a magic button. If you're starting from a really bad place, expect the warm up to take longer. The important thing is you're finally moving in the right direction. Second, you might be wondering, how long do you have to keep the warm up running? The answer depends on how you're using your email. If you're sending a ton of cold emails every day, you're naturally going to get low open rates, low engagement, and a lot of people marking your emails as spam. That's just the reality of cold email. In that case, you should keep Warmy running on a continuous basis to counteract all that negative engagement. But if you're sending emails to warm, opted-in subscribers who actually want your content, you might only need to run Warmy once until your reputation is repaired. As long as you treat your list with respect and send content people actually want, you may not need to run it constantly. That said, your reputation changes over time, just like it does in the real world, so there's nothing wrong with keeping Warmy running at a low level in the background. Think of it like going to the gym. In the beginning, you're going for 5 or 6 days to try and get into shape, but once you're there, you can maintain it with fewer sessions. Warm up works pretty much the same way. Finally, remember why email is so powerful in the first place. With email, you don't have to pay for ads, you don't have to hope an algorithm shows your content, and you don't need to pray that a platform doesn't shut you down. It's a direct line to your audience whenever you need it. It's also the only channel where you truly own your audience. I've told a story on my channel before about how I used to run a subreddit with more than 100k people. Then overnight, Reddit changed the rules and shadow banned the account. Just like that, I lost access to the entire audience. If I had collected their emails, I could have moved the community anywhere. So that's why deliverability matters, and that's why tools like Warmy are worth the investment. If you want to try Warmy yourself and see how much it improves your inbox placement, your open rates, and your clicks, I'll leave a link below so you can get started with the free trial. If you found this video helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tools just like this that can help you get real results faster. And while we're on the topic of email, if you're buried in your inbox right now and want to get back hours every week, check out this tool right here. I'll see you in there.